Aloha everybody, welcome back. Mahalo for watching. I am standing in my driveway and there's plenty of rain and wind from Hurricane Lane, which has been downgraded to a Cat 3, and the hurricane warning has been lifted from the Big Island, Hawaii, which I am staying in Leilani Estates on the Big Island, Hawaii, in the lava zone. So the hurricane has weakened, but it's just kind of arriving at Maui and Oahu, in that area. It's a big enough storm that it will affect all of the islands. You know, it's such a big storm that it has potential to damage and cause problems to all the islands, even though the Big Island is only under a tropical storm watch right now. Luckily, because we've had mudslides and lots of flooding, you know, in Hilo and parts of the Big Island. Let's see. I don't see any bananas that are ready, but it is very foggy. I don't know if that'll, you can see that on camera, but it is really foggy. Or not foggy, I'm sorry. Fog. I haven't had to deal with fog in a while. I keep on calling it Vog. Well, let's see where we at. Yeah, lots of rain. Got some eureka palms right here and some other palms. It's definitely raining and windy, strong gusts. And here's my praying purr, doing fairly good. It's weathering the storm. A rain purr citrus tree. And the wind has died down a little bit just now, but there's strong gusts and plenty of rain and fog. Yeah. Got some action going on here in Leilani Estates. It's about 5:30 in the morning. The sun's about to come up. It's definitely rainy and windy. Whoa. I don't really smell any SO2 from the volcano, and the volcano is paused, so we don't have to deal with that while we deal with this hurricane. And there's been plenty of flooding and mudslides on the Big Island. There's been some highway closures because of mudslides. Yeah, it's a pretty strong wind. I just want to thank everyone for their thoughts and prayers. Luckily the lava has paused and we just have to deal with this tropical storm that was a hurricane and has been downgraded to a Cat 3, and then the Big Island, Hawaii is not under a hurricane watch. We're just under a tropical storm watch. But Maui and Oahu still have to deal with this, and it could be very destructive. The storm is so big it can cover all the islands and cause problems and damage all of the islands at once. It's a huge storm. Okay, so I want to thank everyone for their thoughts and prayers in this time of disaster, and I'm gonna wrap it up right here. I just want to let y'all know I'm safe, and it's a tropical storm, and I'm gonna be safe and be comfortable and get out of the rain right now and get some coffee because it's really early. And until next time, a-hooey ho. Good night, or good morning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Almost lost my umbrella. Whew. Whew. Okay, let's go in. Let's get some coffee. It's too early for this.